Can I pay a check into my Monese account? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Can I pay a check into my Monese account? The answer is yes, you can. But there are a few things you need to know first. What is Monese? Monese is a mobile-only bank that offers a variety of banking services, including current accounts, debit cards, and international transfers. It's a great option for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable banking solution. How to pay a check into your Monese account? There are two ways to pay a check into your Monese account. Use the Monese app. Open the Monese app and tap on the Pay In button. Scan the back of your check using the app's camera. Enter the amount of the check and tap on the Submit button. Your check will be processed and deposited into your account within a few days. Use the Monese website. Go to the Monese website and log into your account. Click on the Pay In button. Scan the back of your check using your webcam. Enter the amount of the check and click on the Submit button. Your check will be processed and deposited into your account within a few days. Important things to note. You can only pay in checks that are made out to you. The check must be in GBP or Euro. The check must be dated within the last 6 months. You will need to provide your bank details when you pay in a check. It may take up to 5 days for your check to be processed and deposited into your account. Paying a check into your Monese account is easy and convenient. Just follow the steps above and you'll be good to go. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.